The design of the smartphone may also change. Instead of rounded outlines, the hulls will become rectangular, as in old models, and a fourth, time of flight, will be added to the array of 3 cameras. Instead of 5.8 inches, the diagonal of the screen will be 5.4 inches. Well-known analyst Min-Chi Kuo believes that in the iPhone Pro 2020 model, Apple, in addition to supporting 5G networks, increasing the screen refresh rate to 120 Hz and installing a time-of-flight camera, can reduce the screen size. Rumors about the development of a helmet or augmented reality glasses in Apple have already appeared, and the other day the DG Times website reported that Valve, which already has its own virtual reality helmet index, will be Apple's partner in the field of augmented reality. A similar camera is equipped, among others, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It is designed to determine the distance to objects and can be used, for example, in augmented reality applications.